You've done well, so far. But the true test still lies before you.
I was wondering when you'd show up.
I am here to ensure that you do your job, little human. Not do it for you.
I will reach the Sunwell on my own, Dreadlord.
Be warned. It is a pool of mystical energy from which the elves draw their immortal powers. They will not give it up easily.
Do you think he suspects that you've been aiding me, Necromancer?
I'm sure he suspects quite a bit. It is his nature to assume the worst. Now steel yourself. The hour of my rebirth draws near.
What is it now?
We demand additional lumber. The restless dead await.
Speak, fool.
Make your choice.
No one orders me around.
Thy bidding, master.
Did you forget about us, you wretches? Basha Nofalotala.
She is persistent. Reminds me of you, Death Knight.
Shut up, you damn ghost. Frostmourne hungers.
Your pain shall be legendary. Lord Arthas, the elf woman will likely attempt to summon reinforcements.
Then watch for her runners. None of them must get through.
My fate is sealed. Research
Tread
complete.
lightly.
The dead shall serve. I wish only to serve. Lord Arthas, Sylvanas has sent a runner to Silvermoon. The elves are sure to send more forces at us.
The sleeper awakes.
The gargoyles we brought back from Northrend could be useful here. The beasts can spot their runners along the main road.
Summoning is complete. Summoning is complete.
What is it now?
I bow to your will. My life for Ner'zhul. Research complete. Thy will be done. Research complete.
You ran.
Speak, fool.
Upgrade complete.
Ah, at last.
Our town is under attack.
This is more like it.
Upgrade complete.
No one orders me around.
Speak, fools.
What is it now?
You will know endless torment. What does the shadow will?
Tread lightly. Tread lightly. Finally.
Summoning is complete. Research complete.
No one orders me around.
For the Lich King.
Wait.
This better be good.
What is it now? Speak, fool. Frostmourne hungers.
The sleeper awakes.
Speak, fool. Finally. This is more like it.
Upgrade complete.
At last. What is it now? At last. This is more like it. Finally. No one orders me
Town
around.
is under attack.
Tread lightly.
Research complete. Our forces are under
Frostborn
attack.
hungers.
Research complete.
Speak, fool. Now Frostborn ready. Frostborn hungers.
I bow to your
The
will.
shadows beckon.
What is it now?
Sylvanas has sent out another runner. It must be stopped.
Finally. Tread lightly.
The restless shadow awaked. The shadows beckoned.
No one orders me around.
Where shall my blood be spilled?
Tread lightly.
Inventory search
At
complete.
last. This is more like it.
The dead shall serve.
be good.
Speak, fool.
What does the shadow will?
What is it
Research
now?
complete shall serve.
Speak, fool. This is more like it.
This better be good. The restless dead await.
No one orders
Our
me
forces are under attack.
Frostborn
The dead shall serve.
What is it now? At last. Speak, fool.
The restless dead await.
No one orders me around. What is it now? Tread lightly. This is more like it. Frostborn
Research
hungers.
complete.
What is it now? At
Will it be
last.
hotshot?
This better
my
be
friend.
good. Our
Tread
forces are under attack.
Finally. Speak, fool. No one orders
What
me
does the
around.
shadow will? Forces are under attack.
Put down spot. You'll regret ever owning my forests.
No one orders me around. Speak, fool.
The shadows beckon. Our forces are under attack. This better be good.
Tread lightly.
What does the shadow will? Research complete. The restless dead await.
Tread lightly.
The dead shall serve.
What is it now?
Summoning is complete.
Lord Arthas, Sylvanas has sent a runner to Silvermoon.
No one orders me around. Frostborn
This better be
hungers.
good.
I wait. By Neru.
Speak, fool.
serve.
Tread lightly.
Our forces are under attack.
What is it now?
Make your choice.
No one orders me around.
The restless dead await.
What is it now?
And stand ready.
Tread lightly. Ah, at last.
What does the shadow will?
My life for Nezul.
Speak, fool.
Our forces are under attack.
Must feel
The dead shall
your
serve.
choice.
No one orders me around. This is more like it.
What does the shadow will? This better be good. The restless dead await. Let darkness guide me. For the Lich King.
No one orders me around.
Where shall my blood be spilled?
Our forces are under attack. The dead shall
Where is
serve.
it now?
What does the shadow will?
Tread lightly. Speak, fool.
The damned stand ready.
Tread lightly.
Research complete.
Summoning is complete.
The restless dead await.
What is it now?
The damned stand ready.
Finally.
This better be good.
I bow
Our
to
town
your
is under
will.
attack.
Come taste the wrath of the
No
elves.
one orders
What
me
does the
around.
shadow will?
Speak, fool.
The damned
Speak,
stand ready.
What is it now?
Our town
This
is under
better
attack.
be good. Intriguing.
The damned stand ready. I wish only to serve. Thy will be
No
done.
one orders me around. Tread lightly. Tread lightly. Faithless coward. Speak, fool. This is more like it.
Research complete.
No one orders me around.
Wait.
Frostmourne hungers. What is it now? Ah, at last. Finally.
Summoning is complete.
wait.
Summoning is
Speak,
complete.
fool.
Where shall my blood be spilled? I wish only to serve. I gladly obey.
What is it now?
Summoning is complete.
No one orders me around. Ah, at
Summoning
last.
is complete.
Tread lightly. Finally.
The dead shall serve.
Speak, fool.
Proceed.
My life for Nezul.
Tread lightly.
You right.
No one orders me around. What is it now? I salute your bravery, elf. but the chase is over.
Then I'll make my stand here, Butcher. Anara la Belore.
Summoning is complete. What is it now? Summoning is complete. Speak, fool.
No one orders me
Summoning
around.
is
Finish it. I deserve a clean death.
After all you've put me through, woman, the last thing I'll give you is the peace of death.
No, you wouldn't dare.
You brought me back, if that is your wish. I must obey. Why have I been summoned? Hi. What must I do? You call to me? Why have I been summoned? What must I do? You call to me? Yes.
Proceed, your choice. What's done is done. The time is now.
Hi. You brought me back. If I must. If it
The
pleases
shadows
you.
beckon.
Why have I been summoned?
I await.
You brought me back. You called to me. If that is your wish, what must I do? If let my cries chill the living.
The restless dead
Tread
await.
lightly.
You brought me back.
What is it now?
The dead shall serve.
What must I do?
What does the
This
shadow
better be
will?
good.
No
The
one
dead
orders
stand
me
ready.
around.
What does the shadow will?
Why have I
Our
been
forces are under attack.
This better be good.
Speak, please. The restless shall await. Speak, fool.
This better
Speak,
be
fool.
good.
The restless dead await.
You call to me?
The dead shall serve.
What must I do?
What does the shadow will? As the shadow will.
What is it now? Frostborn
What does the
hungers.
shadow will?
No one orders me around.
The dead shall serve.
Thy bidding, master. Yes,
Our
master.
forces are under attack.
me
Restless
back.
dead await. This better be good.
Why have I been summoned?
The restless dead await. Our forces are under attack.
Why have I
No one orders me around.
What must I do? You brought me back. I must obey.
Summoning is complete.
Speak, fool.
Summoning is complete.
You call to me.
Summoning is complete. Summoning is complete.
What is it now? This is more like it.
Our forces
What does
are
the
under
shadow
attack.
will? Tread lightly. Firmly. No one orders me around.
Who do you want to kill? Do you want axe?
Speak, fool.
Ichuta.
No one
Our
orders me
forces are under
around.
attack. This better be good.
You brought me back.
The restless dead await.
Tread lightly. What does the shadow will?
The dead shall serve.
I await.
Speak, fool. No one orders me around.
Our town is under attack. Dead await.
You call to me.
Our forces are under attack.
What is it now?
I bow to your will. I gladly obey.
No one orders me
What must
around.
I do?
Speak, fool.
You call
The
to
dead
me.
shall serve.
Tread lightly.
Our town is under attack.
My life, Bonezu.
What is it now?
Why have I been
At
summoned?
Our
last.
gold mine is nearly emptied. Our forces are under attack.
Tread lightly. Upgrade. No one touches me.
Our town is under attack.
If it pleases you.
Speak, fool.
You brought me
What
back.
does the shadow will?
What is it now?
What must I do?
Our town is under attack.
Summoning is complete. Summoning is complete. My fate is sealed. Summoning is complete. Summoning is complete. Summoning is complete. Summoning is complete. Summoning is complete.
No one orders me around.
Is
This
complete.
better be good.
Summoning is complete.
Forces are under attack.
Summoning is complete.
Is it now? Speak, fool. Tread lightly. Tread lightly.
The dead shall serve.
Brought me back. What must I do?
Does the shadow will?
I wish only to serve.
No one orders me around.
Get on with
You brought me back.
Thy
Upgrade
bidding,
complete.
master.
What is it now?
it. This better be good.
Speak,
Our
fool.
forces are under attack.
No one orders
The
me
restless
around.
dead await.
What is it now?
Our gold mine has collapsed.
Tread lightly.
You call to me?
Where shall my blood be spilled?
What must I do? If it pleases you.
This better be
Speak,
good.
fool.
As the shadow wills.
What is it now?
Why have I been summoned?
No one orders me around.
The dead shall serve.
Speak, fool.
What must I do?
Lightly.
I must. If it pleases you.
The restless dead awaits. Speak, fool. No one orders me around. Tread lightly.
What does the shadow will?
Speak, fool. Now, Frostmourne.
The shadows beckoned.
You
Tread
brought
lightly.
me back. Hi.
No one orders me around.
Why have I been summoned? You call to me?
Tread lightly.
You brought me back.
The Frostmourne bounders. What is it now?
Citizens of Silvermoon, I have given you ample opportunities to surrender, but you have stubbornly refused. Know that today, your entire race and your ancient heritage will end. Death itself has come to claim the high home of the elves.
Now arise, Kel'Thuzad, and serve the Lich King once again.
I am reborn as promised. The Lich King has granted me eternal life.
I've upheld my end of the bargain, Lich. Are you ready to tell me about the Dreadlords now?
Certainly, but not here. They have eyes and ears everywhere. We'll talk where it's safe.